All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. So it's been about, since today's January 5th, and I picked up my car on December 29th, and at that time, due to the credit and the discount, I had to pick it up, and I put in like a service request for the left rear tail lights. They have condensations in it, water, and also like the driver door on the outside here, it's not sitting flush, so I put it in for 2 of them, and the only available time they have is for today. And I'm here in the one in Walnut. Oh my god, and they have a lot of Tesla. Earlier I didn't know about this, so I went to the back end of it, and I see people like taking like Tesla apart, like bumper, you know, a lot of stuff they do in alignment. So this looks really big. I don't know if it's a new building, but 3880 Valley Blvd. It's in Walnut. So one of the guys that just came over and asked if I just to sit here and wait for the service advisor, and he'll see if they can schedule me like a loaner. So we're just gonna have to wait and see. So Eddie is the advisor for today, and he seems really nice. He's telling me that he does have a loaner for me, and he was just giving me a heads up that if for some reason if they can't make the door flush, they can send me to another authorized Tesla body shops that are, you know, just doing like brand new Tesla, and they will be able to get the door flush. But so far, and he said hopefully they should be done by 9 o'clock tonight, and I can pick it up tomorrow. But since I have work, so I probably won't pick it up until after work, like just like today too. So far, really good, really nice, friendly service. Everybody's happy, everybody's friendly, really nice. I'm happy to be part of the Tesla family. Yeah. Another thing is, when I talked to Eddie, I asked him if he needs the key, and he's like, no, as long as the Tesla is on the Tesla's property, the computer will able, you know, to drive all the vehicle. But once it's off the property, that's when they're gonna need the key. And here we go, nice. I'm just gonna do a quick around for this facility so you guys can check it out. So this is usually where you drop it off, you know. I think same as like the Lexus, so on, but there's a lot. Look at that Model S, Model X, everywhere. There we go, 3830, nice. So right now, Eddie's gonna go to the back and pull up the vehicle for me. He said they wanted to give me a Model Y, but they don't have a Model Y, so he's just gonna give me a Model 3. So, which really doesn't matter. It's just only one day. So, and once he processed the thing, I just for the loaner, he asked me to just go into the app, open it up, and just hit accept, and that's it. And then hopefully they'll be done by 9 tonight, and I'll pick it up tomorrow, and I'll keep you guys updated. Okay. All right, so I'm at the supercharger. I'm gonna try it, and I'm gonna see how it's gonna work. Right now the car is at I think 68 miles left, and it's green, so it's charging. So, well, you guys wondering where this supercharging station is at? It's in West Covina, right in front of 85 degrees. So you guys know this area, and they have a lot. They have quite a bit of them, a bunch of them here. All sitting here charging. So here we are. This is Model 3. I don't even know what year it is. It doesn't really matter. But just see how many miles. It was at 68 miles, and right now it goes all the way to 76 miles. Oh, but this is charging is only what, 60 kilowatts. It's not 250, but still, that's pretty fast. And it's charging up to, I think, 80%. 8% of it. Probably just gonna do about maybe 10 minutes, and then we're gonna go from there. Oh, it's going down to 58 kilowatts. I wonder, is this a long range? I think Tesla just recently installed these. Tesla vehicle charging only. It's really nice. Let's go outside. Let's see. Yep. Everybody, Cathy Bank. There we go. You guys need to supercharge your vehicles, your Teslas? Right here, here it is. West Covina. They got about, what, 20 of them? And it's pretty packed right now, too. There you go. A lot of people coming in. Model X, all charging. Pretty easy to charge. Eddie mentioned to me that if we charge this, it goes straight to Tesla, and he just handed me the key card, and that's it. Off I go. Let's see. Back in the vehicle. How many miles now? Oh, now look at that. Now it's dropping down only 48 kilowatts. Right now it's just only plus 28 miles. It puts it at 98 miles. Oh, because this charge limit is only 209. So I think this is a standard range, which is max out 272 or 267. So it's just a standard Model 3. There you go, 48 kilowatts going down. I guess the more people charging at the place, the lower the kilowatts you charge your vehicle. Now it's 306. 100. Probably wait another like 5 minutes, and then we're gonna go home. Okay, we have another Tesla Model S just pulled in. So we're gonna see if it's true. So if another Tesla next to your stall start charging the vehicle, and the kilowatts will go down. See if that is the case. Because I think when we first got in was like 57, and now it's down to 47. So, and it is now 43 plus 43 miles. Not bad. But if it's okay, so the guy just charged it. Still at 47. Because we have another vehicle right next to us, the Model X over here. So and still now it stays at 47. I wonder if those two vehicles move, would it go up? Still says 47. 30 minutes remaining. Probably gonna go home now. I think that's good enough. Plus 44 miles. This is a sad part about the new vehicles without the ultrasonic sensors. Look at this one. This one has it, and it tells you exactly how far the garage door is with the car. And my Model Y doesn't come with it, and a lot of them doesn't come with it. Okay, which is something that we're sad. Well, hopefully Elon will do the updates and they give us a better view, and of where we park, and that way we'll be happy, because right now the price still stays the same and the features got removed. Okay, come on Elon, hurry up, do the updates. Yep, these are the sensors that I'm talking about. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just the back bumpers alone, there's like 6 sensors. And let's see on the front, see how many bumpers they have, how many sensors that they actually removed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a total of 12 sensors.